Hi, this is Harimon Vashne, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about local mesh. Okay, let's start. So first what we will do, we will double click or drag this mesh, import geometry, then double click on mesh. Now geometry has been imported. So first what we will check units are metric. Okay, then we will click on mesh. Physics preference will be mechanical, and we will click on quality. So here error limits we are going to change to standard mechanical. Okay, then what we are going to check, right click. First we will check whether the body has sweepable body or not. So we'll go to show and sweepable body. So you can see there is no sweepable body. Okay, then we will go to sizing. So here we will click on adaptive sizing no, and capture curvature yes. Okay, this was all about the global mesh options.